Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads on your Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So guys, let us get started right away. Now, if there is a file you would like to download and if Google Chrome keeps telling you or notifying you that the given file may be potentially harmful, so it blocks the download, there's a simple trick you may apply and force Google Chrome to save the selected file anyway on your device. So it's totally up to you guys. So what you want to do to change that is simply launch Google Chrome and access your browser settings by clicking on these three dots here in the top right corner and by selecting settings from that menu here. Inside your browser settings, make sure that you head over to privacy and security here to the left, and here to the right, select security here. So what you want to do guys is simply switch from a safe browsing enhanced protection or standard protection here, usually it should be one of them on default, to no protection at all. If you do that guys, Google Chrome will stop notifying or warning you of potentially harmful files you would like to download. So it's totally up to you guys. Remember though that selecting the no protection safe browsing feature is definitely not recommended. So guys, at the end of the day, it's your call. Hope you enjoyed the video, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.